right, hello everyone. I am Stephanie Ham, CEO and co-founder of OncoSolutions, where we provide cancer drug testing in the third dimension. So this is OncoSolutions' story. We are a spin-out from the University of Akron. This is where I got my PhD in biomedical engineering and where I co-invented this technology with Hossein Tavana, who's now our Chief Technical Officer. So this technology became the focus of my dissertation work at the university. So after 1 year of research, Hossein and I discovered that when we mixed two polymer solutions together at specific concentrations, they separated, similar to oil and water. So this made us think this could have incredible biological applications in which we can incorporate cancer cells into these polymers and pattern them into specific ways. So after 5 long years of technology development optimization, we developed an automated and robust technology that grows 3D cancer cell cultures. These are living biological tissues that resemble tumors in the human body. And this made us think of the huge commercial potential this could have in the pharmaceutical industry. So we set out to validate our market opportunity by interviewing 130 potential customers. And this is when we learned of the huge inefficiency in the current preclinical cancer drug testing that the pharma industry currently does. So what they're doing right now is they're taking flat layers of cancer cells, which are 2D cancer cell cultures, and they dump hundreds of cancer drugs on these flat layers grown in a plastic dish before deciding which ones are effective and to move forward into animal studies. However, we are 3D, and so are tumors. And so the way a cancer drug is going to respond in a 2D environment versus a 3D environment differs significantly. And the use of these 2D cancer cell cultures results in up to 80% of cancer drugs failing in the animal drug testing stage. And this wastes $500,000 and 6 months of time per failed cancer drug. So this is when OncoSolutions was formed. And we learned that our technology doubles the success rate of cancer drugs in animal models in 1/10 of the amount of time. So we can filter out these ineffective cancer drugs earlier in the process to save time and money. So we've been able to validate our technology on the technical side, which we did a 2D drug test, those flat layers of cancer cells grown in a plastic dish, and we saw drug success. But when we moved into animal tests with the same drug and the same cancer type, this same drug failed. But OncoSolutions' 3D cancer cell culture technology was able to predict this failure rate. And if it was used in this particular instance, we could have saved that $500,000 in 6 months of time that was wasted testing this cancer drug that was never going to succeed. So ultimately, the goal here is to get more resources focused on successful cancer drugs to get them to the market faster and cheaper, and ultimately help save the hundreds and thousands of lives that cancer claims yearly. So OncoSolutions was formed in late 2016, and we've had incredible traction since our formation. We've identified a $1.5 billion target market as a contract research organization in which we provide this drug testing service to the pharma industry. We've raised $800,000 in federal, state, local grants, as well as investments. We have 11 journal articles validating our technology. We've tested this with 25 different cancer drugs, as well as 14 different cell types. And we also have 2 issued patents. Importantly, we've also started our industry partnerships. OncoSolutions has also built its lab in the Akron Bounce Innovation Hub. We are in Suite 1818, so please come visit us if you're ever in the area. So this is the OncoSolutions team. I'm Stephanie Ham, CEO and co-founder. Hossein Tavana is our Chief Technical Officer and co-founder. Elise Ball, who's here tonight, is our Chief Operating Officer and co-founder. Derek Hudash is our Business Development Advisor, and Emily Mulvaney, who's also here, is our Research Scientist. So I'm really grateful to have a strong and supportive team. And of course, we wouldn't be anywhere without our supporters and our funders to this point. Flashstarts has been an incredible help. They were our first investors, and I think we're a great example of how we can marry both Akron and Cleveland startups together and bring those worlds into one. So with that, I want to encourage all of you to help us spread the word. We're going to the market, we're going fast, and I want to have you help us get the word out there. So visit our website, visit our booth outside. We're also seeking some personnel for a sales consultant or researcher, feel free to contact me. I'm always open to networking and answering any of your questions. And I want to thank you all for your time tonight.